Now we know the difference between a mountain and a plateau. Let's look at the characteristics of a plateau, how we can describe a plateau. And one of them is a plateau is an elevated highland. That is, a plateau is always above the surrounding lands. It is an upland. Secondly, a plateau has a flat or level summit. Because of its flat summit, it is usually called a tableland. Plateaus also have steep sides with irregular surfaces. Even though plateaus are seen as having a flat summit, but the summit is not smooth. It is very irregular. They have bumps all over their surfaces. And when we talk about the steepness of the plateau, we're talking about how sharp it descends to the surrounding lands. So here, the arrow shows how steeply this plateau is. You can see that it descends sharply to the surrounding lands. However, not all plateaus have steep slopes. Sometimes they have gentle slopes. And plateaus that have gentle slopes are easy to climb as compared to the ones that have steep slopes. The last but not the least, plateaus may contain valleys and spar when they are dissected by many rivers. Sometimes the action of rivers carve deep valleys within plateaus, breaking the surface of the plateaus. Sometimes there are depressions, and when the depression has a U shape or a V shape, it is known as a valley. And sometimes there are minor uplands on the plateau, and such minor uplands are known as the spar. So the difference between a spar and a valley is that the spar is a minor upland and the valley is a depression with a V shape or U shape. So that is the characteristics of plateaus. We will be back with the types of plateaus. So copy the characteristics into your notebook and let's continue the lesson.